I am still in touch with some of my, friends from Winnipeg. And what strikes me is that there is still that stronger Yiddish and Jewish culture in Winnipeg than there is here in the United States. And for example, I know some of my friends still, send their kids to a big Jewish day school that the ones that were there when I was growing up have all kind of merged, and there's this big new campus, the Rady campus that they have established in Winnipeg, and there's a big gray Jewish day school that goes from grades pre-kindergarten to 12th grade, and that one of my close friends teaches there, and I was just talking to her the other night about her experience there, and they call her Mora Ethel, and she's taught kindergarten there for many years, and it's a very close-knit and vibrant community. I think the Jews in Canada have continued to stay very close in their sort of ghetto, mentality, and I think they still mostly live in neighborhoods that are mostly Jewish, and as, Canada is much more segregated according to nationality. There's always been this major conflict in Canada from its beginnings of the French and the English. And I think that has led to ethnic groups continuing to stay very close together. Whereas here in the United States, we've just had this huge assimilation. That's what the United States is based on, is assimilation. And I think Jews have very much wanted and have assimilated as much as any other ethnic group, and much more so than in Canada.